One of the joys of living in this part of the world is fly fishing for coho salmon and the chance to connect with a bright silver fish. You hope the season would last forever, but as the fall progresses, you start catching fish that are darker and less energetic. Oh, it's really dark. There you go. Yeah. You still connect with enough silvers to make you believe that one last trip would be productive. But as the ratio of dark to silverfish continues to grow, you have to face the fact that the end of the season has come, and you'll soon be catching the last coho of the year. So we're about to hike in through the Salmon Forest. This might be the last day for coho fishing. They're getting a number of dark ones, but we'll see how it goes. What's the date today? November 26th or 28th. I was here on 4 days ago, and we're still catching silver ones, but you have to sort of sort out the dark ones. 27th. Anyway, we'll see how we do. Might be our last coho trip of the year. The previous day's rains have raised the water levels, and we can't wade across the river to get to our old familiar spots. We might have to spend our last day searching out new and unfamiliar places to fish. Will we even find any fish? Those fish had stranded themselves. We'll put them back in the water. Did the water drop that quick that they were stranded, or are they being super... That's a fairly decent... Look at Linda.
I know.
Back in the water with you. They were just flopping on the sandbar there. Does the rudder drop that quick, or they were just hyper energetic? Because it doesn't look like a lot of water for them to... Yeah, that's a quick drop. They got stranded. Cool. Oh, it's an old Coho. It's a Coho. It's quite old. Oh, poor guy. There's a hatchery too. No, it's dark. It's letting go type. It's an old hatchery. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to rub your eyeball. Oh, yeah, there you go. Hey. Oh. Oh, that was unexpected. What? I said it was unexpected. I didn't think he was going to jump. Wow, he's a hatchery, a big hatchery. Wow, look at that. Yeah, he's silver. Wow, don't jump over. Ow! Oh, now he's all muddy. No broken glass, no flat tires. We're all good.